I have a lesson plan for integrated science grade 9. We have living things in the environment as the strand and the parts of a flower. But first, of the administrative details, the school, learning area, that is integrated science, the grade 9, the date, the time, the role. And for the parts of the role, you have to indicate whether male or female, that is the gender. Then you also indicate the teacher's gender, which was not available on this template. And you move on to the strand. CBC we call the strand. That is the main topic, but we call the strand, and the subtopic as the substrand or parts of the flower. And we have the specific learning outcomes, where it is known as the lesson learning outcomes of the LLO, where you have to have the first LLO. The SLO is the knowledge, or the knowledge in this case is state and describe all parts of the flower. The skill to be the skill the learners should portray is identify all the parts of the physically provided flower. And we have C, and the attitude is to appreciate the role of certain parts of the flower, e.g. the petals. And we have the key inquiry question, that is the KIQ, what is a flower? And we have the learning resources, where we have digital device. And I have the digital device. Then we shall have the digital device as the laptop, print media as photo of a flower, physical flower. And then we have the book to be used. Have the organization of learning. You should have this classroom setup in also group setup for 10 learners. An introduction. The teacher dispatches physical flowers and print media. And we have the lesson development aid 4, guiding the learners to identify. Then learners to brainstorm on the resources provided and give feedback. With the help of the teacher, they are guided to identify all parts of the flower physically. In pairs, the learners identify a single part of a flower on the blank non-labeled diagram on the given chart. Here, the core competencies to be developed are the communication and collaboration, self-efficacy, and learning to learn. And the conclusion, the teacher goes through all the parts of the flower using a pointer, where the learners are well observant. And on the extended activity, with the help of the parent, use your phone or to research on the parts of the flower. Maybe they use YouTube or Google. Finally, after all that is done, you can see the teacher will reflect here. Majority of the learners are able to identify all the parts of the flower. However, the remaining few will be observed in due course, where you can use the observation tools, or PCIs can be developed, that is a pertinent and component issues in society within the lesson.